Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to switch on my Windows 11 laptop and it looks like Windows did not load correctly. So I try to select restart my PC and again it starts to restarting, so be patient. So finally my laptop is successfully turned on and my Windows is ready to use. At same time, if maybe this trick not works for you, just try these two methods. And the first method is just click on See Advanced Repair Options and it shows some options. So I try to choose Troubleshoot and click on this Advanced Options. So finally you can click to Startup Repair. And this process maybe fix your startup problems, and this is method 1. So next method, just click on See Advanced Repair Options and select Troubleshoot and go to Advanced Options. So now this time I try to select Command Prompt and then execute following command sfc/scan now. And this process may take up to more time, so be patient. So next you can execute this another command, check disk, and the second command is also executed successfully. So just close this command prompt. So finally you can click to continue. So I hope these two methods will fix your Windows startup problems. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.